Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Solana from XMO to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to switch things up, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your assets safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your XMO account set up and your Phantom wallet installed on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana, known for its user-friendly interface and security features. Start by opening your Phantom wallet app or extension. Once you're in, navigate to the Solana section and copy your wallet address. This is crucial. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check that you've got it right to avoid any mix-ups. Next, head over to your XMO account. Log in securely and go to the Withdraw or Withdrawal section. Look for Solana in the list of available cryptocurrencies. Once you select it, you'll be prompted to enter the wallet address you just copied from Phantom. Paste it carefully into the field, then enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on Solana's blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. This includes the address, the amount, and any fees displayed. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. Now, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions in 2025. Once it's done, hop back into your Phantom wallet and refresh the balance. You should see your Solana appear. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Solana from XMO to Phantom wallet in 2025. It's a simple process, but always prioritize security to protect your assets. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.